How to get free trial on Hulu. In this video, I will show you how can you easily get free trial on Hulu application. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to open Hulu application in your device. If not the application, go to the official website. After that, you can see the option of start your free trial. Simply click on it and then you will see the list of trials that you can try. Simply click on any one of it and go to select. Now once you have selected the offer which you want to continue with, you will be able to see the payment details. In each of the offer, you will be able to see certain day in which you can use it as a free trial. So when you choose a particular offer and provide your payment detail, and remember, if you only want to use the premium membership as a free trial, then you need to remember the date of how many days you can use it for free and then after cancel your subscription. So that's it. That is how easily you can use free trial on Hulu application. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.